Good morning guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G57 Power, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset. So basically all you have to do is to tap on power button along with volume up button. Just tap and hold. And once you feel a smooth vibration and also see Motorola logo, you can remove both fingers from both buttons, and now just wait. And that's it. Now unlock your device and use it smoothly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.